First time here with JOGS. The word I would describe it is high-end.
There's a little bit of everything for you here at JOGS.
Our crystal is unique to one mountain range. You can only find it in one mountain range in the entire world.
I discovered a beryl, one of the most rarest beryls in the world. This may be one of the best shows.
I love it. I mean, I'm so happy with the show.
So far I see here very good clients.
You meet tons of awesome people.
I would say high-end because it's nice. It's really nice. I mean, hard to beat.
They treat you like family. You know, that makes you feel so good.
It's almost kind of like the JOGS is almost like its own little family as well.
Very unique.
Vibrant.
Friendly, chill atmosphere here.
Incredible. I just love it.